Today I am going to Devon, fully kitted up, ready to go. Back again, here in Exeter. We'll see loads of them.
Look at that, look, around the road.
This is a good place. We're camping here. I mean, we've got a pretty quiet location here. It's expected to thunderstorm tonight. We have come to a conclusion that we are going to try to move. It's not worth our lives.
Yeah, this is bad.
High alert, apparently. Hello! I just kicked off. Did you see that? Yeah, we'll see you in the morning. That was one of the worst nights of my life, hands down. Top 3. My tent fell down at about 2:30 in the morning when I was asleep. Collapsed. It was pouring down with rain. Honestly, I feel like chucking it away this morning. Everything is soaked damp. Probably got about an hour's sleep. So bad, the weather. So bad. Constant thunder. Constant wind. Grim. Absolutely grim. Obviously we had to, we changed last minute, so basically we left the woods into the fields where it's safer because, as you can tell, the winds are very strong. 55, 65, I can't remember which one, which is basically, it's incredibly windy. So then we were going along and it was pouring with rain when we were moving all the stuff. Such a spontaneous decision to change. This is why it's been so bad. Freezing. Good morning, boys. Hey, how do we sleep? Mate, horrible. Absolutely grim. Could have come in for a bit. Fucking horrible out here. Have to get going, okay, because I've been out here for about 2 minutes and I'm already freezing, and this is all we've got, okay?
What time is it?
It's 9 o'clock, okay? I don't know how we managed to do that actually. Stay until 9 o'clock, we should have left like 3 hours ago. Right, when I start putting this thing apart, everything is drenched. I don't know about you boys, but I think we should be using the heater instead of the aircon this morning in the car. Grim. Honestly. Oh, my hands are freezing. You were sitting on shit?
Yes.
Where? Oh my god! Oh mate! I feel for you there, mate. I know, it's grim, isn't it? Yes! Oh, jeez! Everything is soaked to the skin. Okay, let's get out of here. We're getting out of here as soon as possible. It's a half an hour walk to the car. To give you an update, we've just been walking for about 40 minutes. We're completely lost because we can't see 10 foot in front of us. We're in this really boggy area here, and Ollie's lost his shoe, and as you see down here, everything's just soaking wet. But we can hear a road, and we've been using our Google Maps to identify where the road is. So things have been frustrating, but I think they're looking up. He's falling down. It's unbelievable. We found a road! Oh, what a relief. Now we're just going to have to walk the whole way along it for about a mile to get to our car. Oh, what a relief that was. We're just shattered. Absolutely shattered. God, when we saw the road in the distance and we could finally see a car, it was like we've been surviving for like years, and then we just finally seen civilization. We were in the car and safe, finally. Just need to change our shoes, and we haven't had any breakfast since 11 o'clock. But so happy we found the car. Oh. We are trying to find a good place for breakfast. Like I said, it's late. A lot of places are shut or don't start serving food till noon, so they don't do breakfast properly. And we're just driving around Dartmoor, trying to look into beautiful views, but as you can tell, there's not really that much to see. So this is so remote. Like, we've been trying to find even places for breakfast, and there's just nowhere. 5-way control. That is unbelievable, isn't it?
Yeah.
I've never known that. We are taking a pit stop to get some drone shots, because that is the most beautiful countryside I think I've seen in England. I'd say it's definitely equaliser on the Lake District, 100%. Check it out. Any better than that? I mean, this is just one of the most amazing, beautiful places I've ever been, I reckon. This is just my paradise. It's amazing. It's amazing. This is actually kind of crazy coming back down. It was actually much easier climbing it compared to coming down, because I've got wet feet now. It's pretty terrifying. Tonight is going to be... Oi! Fuck! I just did my ankle in. Anyway, I'm on slightly safer ground, sort of. No, I am. Like I was saying, we are going to be going to a nightclub in Plymouth. tonight. So two completely different nights of no sleep, one extreme to the other. So we don't know what nightclub we're going to be going to, but I think it's a pretty good opportunity as it's a Saturday night. So we've got a hotel as well. So, and I've never been to Plymouth, so that'd be a whole new experience. We're still getting over yesterday. Really, yesterday was an absolute joke. You know, I didn't really tell you the deep stuff that actually happened. So I've just noticed how clear it's suddenly become at Dartmoor. It was absolutely horrendous earlier. You literally could not see 10 feet in front of you, especially when we were trying to find the car. That's why we got lost for an hour. But now it's literally clear as day. And even the sun's coming out. It's perfect. So before we drive off, we're just going to explain just what happened last night, because a lot went down. Let's start with you guys first.
Well, it went well at first, and we had a nice spot in the woods to actually make a proper fire.
So we went to the woodland. It was this ancient woodland, and there's already a set-up fire for us, pretty much. And we just got the fire going. It was nice and warm.
It did take a
Didn't
while.
really know there was a storm coming.
We had no idea there was a storm coming until we looked on the BBC. And they said that there's going to be red alerts. But anyway, we are going to be moving on. We're going to be going to Plymouth. Well, I was thinking we could potentially still do another walk here. Look, it's all cleared up now. It's
How
all
about we
warm.
go to the lake?
We go to that lake?
Yeah, we'll go to the lake.
Yeah. But we're going to be heading to a lake. And we'll keep you posted when we get to Plymouth. This is beautiful around here. Oh my gosh.
How do you find this place?
How do we do it? This place is just sensational, honestly.
Yeah.
I love it. Honestly, Dartmoor is just beautiful. And you've got to remember, we've seen the rough side. We've seen the bad side of Dartmoor, and we still love it. Yeah, imagine falling down there. Jeez. How much better would you say it is over the New Forest?
Oh, 100% much better, for sure. I mean,
It's
like Scotland or Wales.
it's just like, it's kind of like the New Forest, but I would say
it's more natural.
nicer scenery, more natural, and a hell lot less people. A lot less people, and
And it's legal to do it.
just
you want.
more. Yeah,
You're more free.
you're more free, less rules, more rural.
Just don't go in the storm.
Game,
That's our
set,
advice.
and match. That's all I can say. Yeah, as long as you don't go in a storm,
You'll be alright.
you'll be good. But I think even in the New Forest that would be bad as well.
Yeah, anyway, it'll be better.
I did that in Brighton and that was still bad. So you can't really get away from that.
True.
I'll tell you what though, the thing that's annoying is I've just got brand new white clean shoes on. And looking at the state of my shoes last time I was on here, do you not agree? It makes it so much sweeter.
Yeah.
Like, you know when you've gone through like a bad night,
Yeah.
it makes even like, now you're here and the weather's nice.
Cheers you up, yeah.
The sun's shining, it cheers you right up because it's like you've been through the rough and the smooth to get here.
We achieved the goodness out of it, not just
Exactly.
the bad weather.
We haven't just turned up and rocked up and been glory boys. We've, gutted through. It's amazing.